What's up, peeps? What's up, people? Alright, so today we are going to New Kingston, and then the bus we are take bike ride. So we'll see how long it takes to reach New Kingston. Right now 10:31. So see how long it takes to reach New Kingston, is it? So forward along and taking the sightseeing, is it? Showing all I shortcut them. Is it? So tune in and like, subscribe, comment and share if possible, is it? Come on, so stay tuned. Alright, we reach Portmore now. Is it? Portmore, watch out. Alright, here I go now. Reach for the toll, but we can't go to the toll booth. You know? See there? So a shortcut we have to take now to bypass the toll booth. You know? Yeah, go through a little gate here. And start back your journey and leave. Yeah man, that's how we have to do it. If we go to the toll booth, I'm going to stop with. I'm going to find bike. Yeah. See it, so it's how we have to do now, is it? We bypass the toll booth. Alright. Come on, let's see there. See that? Construction will go on around, so it's going to be a new rest stop right across from the toll, is it? See? So I'll be foreign a long time when I come back a yard for now, so I'll go on there. Construction will go on. Deep construction will go on. Alright. So, go to shortcut now. So just watch where I go on, is it? Them AstroTurf. Indeed. AstroTurf over at Toll Road. So we're going to show you a little party now. Is it? People. It's not easy, you know, so just like and subscribe, you know, for more content like this, you know. You see it? That's how I go on. You know, it's gonna get long and drawn out, you know. Because I'm showing the most necessary part of the video. You see it? Alright, so watch out. The other side of the toll booth. You see it? So go up on the toll road now and just continue with journey. You see it? So our time now. It is at 10:30. Well, there's 20 minutes gone already. Whew. And the journey just started, you see it? So just stay tuned and see what I go on, you see it? Yeah man, stay tuned and see what I go on. Alright, just want to be showing it to me alone. If I'm tour from bicycle. You see it? Come on, other people there too. Come on. That's that. Alright. Yeah. What a view. What a view, people. Yeah. Alright, so like coming just like coming up on the side like how the riders up. Just a show now I go on. Alright. So this is the old causeway. This is the original causeway road, you see it? Before you move what here up there, so. See it? Come on, this is the old road, so I'm going to show you the new bridge, the old bridge actually, sorry. So let's watch how I go on. These are people, the all who never drive on the road yet. When you're young, or you just come to Jamaica, come live here. Yeah man. All road. Alright. So these are the original causeway bridge. Yeah man, the original causeway bridge is the new one. You see it? See there? Famous fishing spot, yeah? So I go on. So I go on. Kingston Wharf. And we across over this airport. Port Royal. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you now. Come on, so this the original bridge. Alright, we're not going further because I cut in on my journey. That one's a side view from the edge of it. Watch out, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, so old bridge, new bridge, old bridge. I'm gonna stay tuned for the journey. And if you watch the video stuff, if you still watch the video for so long, might as well just subscribe and done, is it? Yeah man, like and comment and share it. You see it, people? Alright, so I said, the sun is hot enough, warm. So, still have more journey to go. You see it? Alright, so continue. Come on, just stay tuned. Journey normal. So now I'm gonna get hot. Watch how I go on. I go over the bridge, you know. I ride over the bridge. But if you say a few people want to see how below the bridge look like. So when I fall back, I go over the bridge. So right now I go through the bridge. You see it? Yeah man. It's a view from below the bridge. Okay. Spanish Town Road. Yeah man. You see it? So another look, you see it? Alright. So let's call it half of my journey complete. Yeah, half more left to go. Come on, see? Alright. So stay tuned. Journey continue. It is. By water now. Thirsty out. See water on over so. Full of buckle of water now. Hold on there. By a buckle of water. How much water, General? How much water? Come on, thirsty. Water time. Whisper. Yo. Oh, still halfway journey. I'm not reached nowhere yet. You see it? Alright, reached the halfway tree now. You see it? Reached the halfway tree here. Alright, we reached halfway tree square now. See? Now 11:39, but you know, I'm gonna stop along the way, catch a few videos and things, you see it, I'll show you how I go on. That's why man, it takes a long to you see it, but come on, reach the halfway tree square now, check out how I go on. Alright, so next stop, New Kingston. Tired. I'm not sure I see which way nearer. I'm going to go stop. I'll continue to go straight. I think I'll go straight, you know. I'll go straight. I'll go straight. So, come on, I'm so fit again like one time. morning, officers. Alright, so reach the intersection and a Waterloo, Oak Road. Okay. Reach far down, just the BMX alone. Come on, soon reach the destination, yeah? Yeah, man. Tired, but still have to go. Tired, man, tired. Yeah, man, tired. Take different road. I'm gonna reach a new Kingston now, no? I'm reaching to go further. I'm gonna tell you the time. I tell you Portmore again, about 10:30. I'm around 10:30 we left Portmore. No, boss, you're not still over there. Alright, Pete, guess what? Reach a new Kingston now, is it? Watch out. Reach a new Kingston. Is it? Yeah, man, just want to thank you for stay along the journey with me, you know? Yeah, man. Tell you the time, left Portmore on 10:30. Time at 11:53. You see it? I know I'm stop along the journey, so can show you some views. Yeah, man, so respect, thanks again. And like, share, subscribe. See it? Yeah, man. Respect. Peace out.